Insertion sort. We will use the same 5 elements that we use in the swap sort. Now we will compare the first element to second element. 10 is greater than 5, and because it's true, it will swap the first element with second element. And the first checking in the insertion sort, we will check if greater than the first, if greater than, then we will do compare of the first element and second element. Then the third element to second element. It's like reverse. Compare now. Comparing is 20 is less than 20 is equal to false. Because it's false, the number will stay. 5, 10, 20. Now let's move in the fourth element. Let's compare now the fourth element. 2 is less than 20. It's equal true. Because it's true, now the 2 and 20 will be swapped. Because we are checking is less than, because our goal is all the lower value, we will bring them to the front array in the first element. Now we already compared the fourth element to third element. We will see now that the second is the third element. Then we will compare now the third element to second element. To bring the number 2 value to front array, just like the other we made the reverse compare till the number 2 is in the first
I'm going to a basketball today.
element. In the first element. If you can see, now 5, 2, 10, 20 is it. 2 is less than 10. From here, compared to the second element to first element, 2 is less than 5, it's equal to true. Then swap again. Now we will see that the 2 value will reach the first element. From here, now it's here. Since we already sort the first to fourth, 2, 5, 10, 20, now we will move now again to fifth element. Now let's compare the fifth element. 8 is less than 20 is equal to true. Then swap again, the value number 8 now will move to fourth. Now it's in the fourth element. Now again, compare again, 8 is less than 10 is equal to true. Then swap again, then we will check the compare on the third element and the second. 8 is less than 5 is equal to false. Then the value of number 8 will stay at third element. And once the array detected it's already sort, then the looping will stop because the array is already sort in ascending order. This is the value of sorted in insertion sort, using insertion sort.